What are self-lubricating bearings? Self-lubricating bearings are special plain bearings that can operate with little or no external lubrication. These bearings contain materials that reduce friction automatically during operation. Common self-lubricating materials include PTFE graphite bronze with oil-post polymer composites. Some bearings are oil-impregnated, which means tiny pores inside the material store lubricant. During rotation, heat and motion slowly release the lubricant onto the bearing surface. These bearings are widely used in electric motors, fans, automotive systems, industrial, machine shafts, two-axis equipment. Major advantages are low maintenance, accurate operation, reduced lubrication, needs longer service intervals. But self-lubricating bearings still have limits in high temperature, heavy load, extreme speed applications. Simple engineering rule: less maintenance is equal to higher reliability. Follow for more practical engineering videos. Join our upcoming YouTube live session starting June 2026 every Sunday to learn mechanical designing by SolidWorks 2026, from sketching to professional 3D modeling, assembly and drawing creation, etc., and live interactive discussions, practical examples, and real engineering learning. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next live session. Follow for more practical engineering videos. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive future engineering-related updates.